Many of you have Detoxify Yourself. This is the book that I wrote. I think it looks backward in the camera. 30-day meal plan free of gluten, dairy, soy, and GMOs. Complete meal plan with recipes and grocery shopping list. A couple questions come in because it's a different mindset. Most people eat 2 or 3 times a day. That's not enough food. If we want to increase our energy, we want to burn body fat, we have to increase our metabolism through eating smaller meals. This will also improve your digestion and help a number of different ways. So the question is what if I'm not hungry? Do I still need to eat? The answer is yes. I would suggest having less of what's in the meal plan if that's too much for you, but you still need to have those smaller meals to increase your metabolism. And the second one is it seems like too much food. Again, instead of having the full meals recommended, just have smaller meals but still eat so you can still find the benefits that we have to offer.